The best 360-degree camera, the Insta360 X5, is now even better. Insta360 just launched the summer software update along with plenty of new accessories for Insta360 X5, making it an even better 360-degree camera. So in this video, we are going to talk about all of the software-based features that this new summer update is going to bring to your Insta360 X5, and I will make a separate video about all of the new accessories for better user experience and usability. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the summer update for Insta360 X5 brings two brand new features to X5. The first one is Adaptive Tone. This new feature records more detailed lighting information that allows you to do various customization like adjusting the brightness, re-exposing the footage, etc. to have a more natural looking result. It might sound a bit like the HDR, but the major difference is that HDR basically just captures a wider dynamic range of lighting, providing a more balanced highlights and shadows for the footage coming straight out of the camera. While in Adaptive Tone, the X5 first captures a full range of image data, and then it allows you to adjust the brightness, contrast and color based on the selected frame or angle in the Insta360 app or the Insta360 Studio desktop application. The Adaptive Tone feature is available especially for the videos, and you will be able to use it with 8K resolution videos at 30 FPS and 5.7K resolution video at 30 FPS with HDR on. It also works with the pure video mode. That is a new feature that Insta360 introduced in the summer update for X5. So let's talk about now the single lens pure video mode. Earlier it was available only for 360 videos, but now the pure video feature is available for single lens video recording as well. So this feature is available for videos captured at 4K resolution at 30 FPS that converts Insta360 X5 into a wide-angle single-lens camera. It captures more lighting information and improves the quality of videos captured in low-light scenario. So once again, this is a very nice feature that if you would like to use your X5 as a single-lens camera instead of a 360-degree camera, then you can use the single-lens pure video mode and you will get great quality results in low-light scenarios. Other than these new software-based features, what we got here is a new software update as well for the Insta360 app that will bring new features and user enhancement as well. With App 2.0 update, you will get the AI frame, perspective tools and many beginner-friendly editing options that will enable you to quickly create and share amazing quality 360 videos right from your smartphone in just few steps. And as I have mentioned, along with the software-based features, Insta360 also launched plenty of new accessories like the Insta360 Mic Air, many new ND filters, GPS preview remote with built-in mic, and a new more capacity ultra battery for Insta360 X5. I will make a separate video to talk about all of these new accessories. So if you are interested in knowing more about them, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, if you found it useful, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.